Hello guys, lesson I'm going to teach you how to play the song called The Blue Sky by a-ha. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4 main sections in this lesson, as you can see in the structure. Okay, so the first section is this really interesting kind of like, it even seems like it doesn't even belong, but that's how it is. Okay, it's like this really interesting rhythm. It goes, repeat it 4 times, third time, like that. So it's 4 times like that. Okay, but anyways, let's learn it. So it's like this motive played for 4 times over this first section. Okay, so it goes starting on the G just above middle C here. So it goes G, 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 D, E, G, 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 and that's it. That's it for the right hand. Okay, one more time. So G, 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 D, E, G, 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 like that. Left hand just G major chord, G, B, D. Okay, fully white note chord. 2 hands together just goes like this. So just the first chord and the right hand first note together. So it's together. Repeat for the second time. Third. Fourth. Like that, okay? So yeah, okay, so that's pretty much it for the first section, played 4 times. Okay, moving on to the second section. This is also played for 4 times. That is the motive that goes blue sky, that part, okay? So you're gonna do like this. Second time. Etc. Okay, so let's learn the motive right now. It's really easy. It's 5-note motive, played 4 times. Right hand goes starting on the C above middle C, so middle C, so C. C, A, C, up to G, A, and that's it for the 5-note motive, okay? One more time, so C, A, C, up to G, A. That's it for the right hand. Left hand, 2 chords here. The 2 chords F major, which is F, A, C. Second chord A minor, which is A, C, E. Okay, so with these 2 chords in mind, F major and A minor, the 2 hands together goes like this. F major starts, so it goes C and F majors together. 3, 4, A minor by itself, right continues. And then repeat that second time. 3, 4, third time. Fourth and last time. And there you have it for this second section, played 4 times. You can see in the structure. And now moving on, the third section is the main thing. This is like the section, the most singing like part, okay? But there's like a pattern for it, okay? So you can see that it kind of plays itself for quite a few times actually. So you got to remember that. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. Okay, so let's give you a preview. Okay, it goes like this. Check it out. Okay, let's learn it. Break it up into 4 parts. So this is a lot longer because a lot of parts here. So here we go. Okay, first part starting with C above middle C. So C up to F, E, E, D, D, C, C, B, 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 A. And then repeat that motive again. C, F, E, E, D, D, C, C, B, 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 A. So it's pretty easy for the first part. There's like a pattern. There's like a, how many notes is that? Don't even know. But anyway, so yeah, one more time. So it goes like this. C, F, E, E, D, D, C, C, B, 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 A. Repeat that whole pattern again. C, F, E, E, D, D, C, C, B, 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 A. So that is a, let me see, I can't even see how many notes there are. It's about 12 note pattern played twice, okay? So just remember that, okay? Once you get the right hand there, left hand we have 4 chords. The 4 chords are just 2 chords played twice. So it's F major, F, A, C. Second chord alternates to A minor, which is A to E, and then third chord alternates back to F major, and fourth chord alternates back to A minor. So pretty simple stuff. So with those 4 chords in mind, F major, A minor, F major, A minor. 2 hands together goes like this. Right hand starts on the C, F and F major together. Second B and A minor together. And repeat that pattern again. Simple stuff, and that's the first part. Okay, one more time. Moving on to the second part, okay? Second part continues, right hand goes back up to the F, E, E, D, D, C, C, up to F, F, E, D, E, D, C, B, E, D, C. That's it for the second part. One more time, so it goes like this. F, E, E, D, D, C, C, F, F, E, D, E, D, C, B, E, D, C. That's it for the right hand. Left hand, we have 4 different chords here. The 4 chords are D minor, D, F, A. Second chord, B flat major, which is B flat, D, F. Third chord, A minor, which is A, C, E. And fourth chord, D major, which is D, F sharp, A. Okay, so the 4 chords in mind. So D minor, B flat major, A minor, D major. 2 hands together goes like this. So it goes together. Second F and B flat major together. After E, A minor by itself. After E, D major by itself. Like that. One more time, so it goes together. Together. Here. Here. Moving on to the third part, right? Continues. It goes 3 E's, another 4 E's, down to A, C, E, C, up to G, E, and then E, 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 like that. That's it for the right hand. One more time. So it goes like this. It goes E, 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 A, C, E, C, G, E, 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 E. That's it for the right hand. Left hand, 4 chords. The 4 chords F major, F, A, C. Second chord G major, G, B, D. Third chord E minor, E, G, B. And fourth chord back to F major, F, A, C. Okay, so with these 4 chords in mind, F major, G major, E minor, F major. The 2 hands together goes like this. Right hand starts on the first 2 E's. Third E and F major together. G major by itself. Right hand continues. After G, E minor by itself. And then next E and F major together. By itself. After A, the E minor by itself, and then F major by itself, and F major by itself. So the last 3 chords are by itself. Okay? One more time. Okay. Actually, I think we went a bit too much, okay, actually. We got a bit too excited, okay? Anyway, so it's like ta, here, here, together. Yeah, that's that for the third part, okay? I think we actually went into the fourth part as well. We got a bit too excited. Okay, let's do it again for this third part. Forgot what I just said before because I just like went ahead and finished up the fourth part, okay? Anyway, one more time. So for this third part, just goes together, here, here, together, like that. Okay, and that is the third part, okay? So remember that. Okay, now moving on to the fourth and last part, which you briefly saw just then since I went to it. So it goes, right hand just have 5 notes, A, C, E, C, A. That's it. Easy. One more time. A, C, E, C, A. Remember that. Left hand, 4 chords. The 4 chord G major, G, B, D. Second chord E minor, E, G, B. Third chord F major, F, A, C. And fourth chord E minor again, E, G, B. Okay, so these 4 chords in mind, G major, E minor, F major, E minor. The 2 hands together goes like this. G major starts off, right hand continues. After that, the last 3 chords by itself. That's what I said before. Like that. One more time. So it goes here, here, 2, 3, 4, here, 2, 3, 4, here, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. As you can see, this third section in the structure, it says it plays twice, so you just repeat this section again, or all 4 parts. Okay, etc. Okay? So yeah, okay, so after you have repeated that for 2 times for the section, you can see in the structure the song goes back to section 2, play 4 times. That's the blue sky part. Play that for 4 times, okay? And after you play that for 4 times, once again it goes back to section 3, but this time it only plays 1 time, okay? It's the etc. And after you play it for the 1 time, the song finishes off with a section 4, but this is a really short section. It's just blue sky and with a different chord at the end. Just goes easy. It's only like 3 notes on the right hand, C, A, C, the blue sky, and the left hand is F major, F, A, C, and the second chord finish on C major, C, E, G. So that's that. Pretty easy 4th section, just goes together, and chord by itself, and then finish. Yeah, pretty easy, right? Yeah, and that's it for the song, okay? Not difficult once we learn all the patterns, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this lesson, enjoy time with my other musical content, and as for now, see you next time.